Hello folks, hard to believe that it is almost Christmas Day and it is 43 degrees. There's literally no snow on the valley floor and it's all up in the mountains, and even then it is halfway up the mountains. So I'm gonna take the drone out. There's a couple of old bridges here in the county I live in, Box Elder County, northern Utah. They're old truss bridges, and the plan is to take the drone, fly around them, and then hopefully fly right down through them. So give it a go, and let's see what happens. Talk to you in a little bit. Bye. Okay, here's the first bridge, Truss Bridge. It's across the Bear River here in Corinne, off the end of Montana Street. So I'm going to fly up, fly over it, around it, and then hopefully straight through it, obviously being mindful of the power lines. Okay, let's give it a go, see what happens. Well, that was the first bridge. Again, bit of a draft, bit of a breeze this afternoon, and I could see it moving the drone to the south as I was heading east. So obviously the DJI Phantom 3 is susceptible to the breeze, but I dare say all drones are. But okay, off to the next one. Okay, we're here at the second bridge. This one is actually in Bear River City, again over the Bear River again. Built in 1889, another truss bridge. Challenges on this one: I got power lines just behind you running east to west, and then I've got trees all the way at the end, so I'm not going to go all the way through. In fact, I may not even do that. I might just do a straight flyover and then come around and come over one side. If I get in and zoom in on that thing right there, which is the maker's I guess advertising, what are you going to call it, builder's plate, for lack of a better word. So we'll do some video of this and then call it a day. Alright, let's give it a try. This should be fun. Okay, so I didn't fly down the center of that one. It was actually more of a breeze across the river than I was expecting. They kept pushing it off course, so I don't want to try it in the confines of the inside the trusses. But there's a little bit of a story with this one. Folklore is it's called the Crybaby Bridge, because apparently a woman drove off the bridge with her 2 kids because she thought her kids were possessed by the devil. That's a folklore. Actually, what happened was in 1931, there was a 4-year-old kid out here playing with his dog while his dad worked in the fields out here, and the dog got loose, and I guess a mail carrier was coming along in his car, swerved to miss the dog and hit the kid, and knocked the kid into the river, killing the kid. So that's the story behind this bridge. Yeah, good looking bridge. I tell you, those builders plates, this one and the one out there in Corinne, if ever I thought these bridges were going to get destroyed or torn down, I know one person who'd be wanting to save those builders plates. So anyway, appreciate you coming along. Beautiful day out here. Hard to believe that it's going to be Christmas within a week. And I hope you've enjoyed the videos from the drone, and I will talk to you soon. And if I don't see you between now and Christmas, Merry Christmas to everybody. And if I don't see you 2019, oh, wait a minute, I'll be in Arizona. Yes, you will. So chances are you'll see a video right there at the end of 2018. But for those of you across this great country and around the world, Merry Christmas, and we'll talk to you soon. See ya. Bye.